Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to hide likes on Instagram post. So the first thing you have to do, open your Instagram application and make sure that you are signed in and logged in with your account on Instagram. And now you just need to open the post that you want to hide the likes buttons from, and then after you open it, now you just need to take a look on this upper side. You will see your ID, and on the right side you will see these three small dots, and you can see that first there will be three buttons on the bottom of your picture: likes, comment, and share button. But if you want to hide this like, you just need to go click these three small dots, and after that go click this hide like count. So that is the way, guys, how to hide the likes button on your post. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, so don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.